Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping, and today I am doing the new declutter challenge thing. So this is the area I'm going to work on, and it's not going to be great because I need to get a container or something nice looking up there. So for right now I'm just going to be using an Amazon box because I don't have anything right now. But any suggestions at the end to make it look better would be great. I'm sorry about the I'm having a lack of words today. I'm not doing so well, and that's why I'm only doing this small little area. But as you can see, it's kind of dusty as well. So I'm going to work on that and bring you back when it's done. All right, be back in a bit. Okay, I'm back. Still couldn't get the top of the refrigerator done very well, and I was using the rag and my reacher. So when I get a worker or somebody that can do that, I will get that done better. But that's where my top of the fridge and freezer is at. Like I said, I had to use the box for now. I don't know what else to do. I left one of each different sizes that I have out for bags. All the rest of the stuff is in the box, except for a few extra storage bags like that are in this corner right here because I can't reach any of that. So I can get right there. By the way, those cupboards are very sharp on the corner. I jabbed my hand while I was trying to reach above there. So anyways, that's well, I just realized I probably could have used that folded right here is a folded thing, a bin. I don't know if it's as big as that box though. I'll have to check. Maybe I can reach it with my grabber. Otherwise, I am looking for something a little bit neater to go there. But for now, that is definitely better than it was. I left one oil out. I put it somewhere else for right now because I'm not sure where to put it. And then my, and then the other oil is right there. And then my pancake syrup. And my scale. So, all right, everybody, that's what I got done right now, and I'm starting to wiggle around, so I need to get going. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day. May God bless each and every one of you to overflowing, and may He keep you, your friends, and family safe. Bye for now.